All right, we have a new 3-inch pipe. This is the Royal Blue High Octane Armor Pipe in a 3-inch. We have 8 rows of inlet, just like the 4-inch. So this is our new 3-inch High Octane Armor Pipe, 8-row. I've never seen an 8-row 3-inch pipe before. I've never seen this before. I've never been able to get pipe this way. I've asked multiple manufacturers if they could do this for me. They told me no. There was no way they could give me an 8-row. They could only give me a 4-row in a 3-inch pipe. So this was something we worked several years for. We're really happy to have this partnership with this manufacturer making us an 8-row 3-inch pipe. Now this is available in 100 footers and it's available in 350 footers for contractors. They're big contractor coils. We can put them on a freight truck and do direct ship only with the 350s, or for pickup. DIYers can pick them up too. It's the same price per linear foot. So these are the 350 foot in the 3-inch 8-row. Look at that. There's inlets 360 degrees all the way around this pipe. Now when you look at our 8-slot corrugated pipe, you can see that there's a pretty big gap in between rows because it's a 4-inch diameter. Inside diameter is 4.5 inches outside diameter. But you can see the amount of distance between each row of perforations. When I hold it in the sun, you could really see the material that's left in between those 8 rows. Our 8-slot or 8-row, I mean, just absolutely amazing. This pipe has more inlet than any other pipe in the world. But when you look at our 3-inch 8-row, here's that 3-inch 8-row. Look at that. Look at that. Look at how close the rows of inlet are. The largest inlets that I've ever seen on a 3-inch pipe, and more inlet than we've ever had on a 3-inch pipe. You can see the spacing between those rows. There's not much spacing between those rows. Got to leave a little material to hold the pipe together so it don't pull in two. Look at that. It's truly incredible. Man, we love this new pipe. We're going to be running a lot of 3-inch perforated pipe. This is a fantastic branch. When you're running branches off a 4-inch main, this is all you need, is a nice 3-inch branch off a 4-inch main. And DIYers with no slope, flat yard, you start all your branch lines in 3-inch and take them to a larger main. Look at that. Really nice pipe. We're blessed to have this pipe. There's a difference between the 350 foot coils in 3-inch 8-row versus 100. There's a 100 foot coil. So that's why the 350s can't be shipped on a pallet. They're for pickup only, or if we're doing a direct ship of a full freight truck. We can throw that in, guys, with your 4-inch 8-slot. If you want this 3-inch 8-row, the 350 foot coils are nice because you don't have so many scraps. You're peeling it off a really big coil. All right, everybody, if you like the products that we're making in the USA and bringing to the market for the contractor and the DIYer, give us a thumbs up. It supports what we're doing. I'm your host, Robert Sherwood, and until the next video.